this is what my notability looks like. I have arranged my notes subject wise, as you can see. For example, this first aid section contains all my combined, or you can say amalgamated notes. Okay, so these are the main final things. And if we go to endocrinology, so it contains everything like UL blocks, FA of that particular section, repro and endo, then BNB slides, then pathoma slides. I have separated each system PDF, so I can combine easily in Notability. So yeah, this is my whole endo and repro section. So similar, this is similar to that. This is infectious disease, biochemistry. Okay. Now if we go to, for example, let's go to endo. Okay. So okay, endo file is in, yes, this is F endocrine. So it has FA as baseline, like base material. I mostly use it as a index because I don't like its content much. So I just copy, paste, or write things around the topic it has. Okay. So like for example, this is about adrenal gland. So I have posted this pictures from UWorld, paragraphs, some from Kaplan. This is embryology, this is from BNB, and again UWorld. These are lines. So this is scaled book, but I can make it blank like this. So yeah, it is easier to read that way. So it is easier to insert pages in Notability. Like if I want to write something after this page, I can simply add page here, and yeah, it will get added, and I can write something. Okay, so I just undo that. Yeah. So basically, this is like everything on the framework of first aid. You can take this as a guide or customize according to whatever you want. Most of the time, I like your pictures, tables. So it is way better than FA or anything else. Okay. These are UL blocks. So whenever I was taking the test, I do it in tutor mode, so I can get question and answer sequentially one after another. If I take in test mode, so it will be harder for me to search for answers. So yeah, this is my UWorld. Suppose if I want to copy this picture, I simply whatever, this is cut scissor icon, and select the image I want and copy it and go to my notes, for example here, and simply paste it. I can arrange it wherever I want to. I can resize it. I can write above it. Yeah. So this way I have made all my notes. I hope you find this helpful. Okay, bye bye.